Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.